An air wash gun is like a superhero for your cleaning tasks, armed with the power of high-pressure air to blast away dust, dirt, and debris from even the most hard-to-reach spots. Imagine a tool that combines the precision of a surgeon with the force of a tornado, making quick work of cleaning surfaces, equipment, or crevices that regular brushes and wipes can only dream of tackling. Whether you're sprucing up your garage, workshop, or industrial space, the air wash gun's strong yet controlled air jets give you the upper hand, effortlessly dislodging stubborn particles and leaving everything spotless. It's like having a mini whirlwind in your hand, ready to refresh and rejuvenate anything it touches. But the air wash gun isn't just about raw power, it's also about finesse. With adjustable pressure settings, you can dial in the perfect amount of air for the task at hand, whether you're carefully cleaning sensitive electronics or blasting away grime from heavy machinery. Its ergonomic design ensures that even after extended use, your hand stays comfortable, making it easy to maneuver and direct the airflow exactly where you need it. The air wash gun turns the mundane task of cleaning into something fun and satisfying, as you watch dust bunnies and gunk disappear with each pull of the trigger. It's the ultimate tool for those who take pride in keeping their space clean and in top condition, making your cleaning routine not just effective, but downright enjoyable.